Hey guys, how are ya? You look a little bit crooked. Oh, say hello to Serenity. There we go. Is that a little better? Oh, anyway, moving on. Maybe if the camera's crooked, it'll look like my layout's straight. Anyway, this is just a selfie I took of me, and I got a little bit of the bump in there. I don't remember when this was. Anyway, I picked this paper because my dress is so dark, and this is all Citrus Twist stuff again. I think I want to punch that though. This is my favorite punch ever. There's no real significance to this picture. I was just heading into church and thought maybe I should take a picture. If you've watched any of my videos, you know it's not the norm for me. And then I had the nerve to put things like beauty on here. So anyway, I'm kidding. Let's see. So this is for my pregnancy album, and it's 6x8, and that's one of the reasons why I picked a 6x8 pregnancy album, was so that I could use up some of my Citrus Twist goodies, because I love them so much. And I also picked this green because of the green leaves on my dress. This is probably my favoriteest dress ever. It's long, it's a high-low dress, and it's got a little tie right here, and I'll probably never wear it again after I'm not pregnant, because it is very clinging to the shape, which is great, but I'm pregnant, so it's cool to be as big as I am right now, but it won't be soon enough. Again, I apologize for being out of breath. And I wanted to use this because of the flowers on it. I need to show you guys. Never mind. I think I put it on Instagram, so you probably already seen it. If you haven't, go check me out on Instagram. Let's see. I do want to cover up this little stamp mistake there. Stamp. Not stamp. Punch. That's good. This is all past Citrus Twist stuff, so if you're looking for it, go check her out. She might have it in her shop there. Or you might find something else you like, and then you kind of go from there. I put every now and then because I took a photo, and it just happens every now and then. It's not a everyday situation here. So, I did pull these out, but I think I'm going to hold tight on that. So, I also have the other page I figured we'd go ahead and do together, because who doesn't love to craft, especially on a Saturday? So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the 5 love languages, but I swear by them. So my first, pardon me, my first love language is things, which I'm not proud of, but it is what it is. There's something important to me about knowing somebody thought about you, and they, you know, they bought you a Reese's or a Snickers or something and brought it to you and said, hey, you know, I was just thinking about you. I don't know, it means a lot to me. So my secondary love language is acts of kindness, though, and my honey bunny was putting my little Serenity's playpen thing together because we're going to keep her in our room for a little while, but our room is not very big. If you've looked at any past videos, you would see what we're working with here. This whole entire wall right here is my craft stuff, basically, except for I made a little dent over here in the corner for her to have a dresser of some sort in here, because I don't want her to invade my daughter's room too much, and we only have 5-bedroom house, which, hold your horses, it's not it's a garage converted into 2 rooms, but those are on the same side. I don't know if I can, maybe I won't do those. I have no idea what I'm saying. Dresser in our room to keep my daughter from feeling overwhelmed, all that good stuff. Anyway, we plan on, oh, I had said 5 bedrooms, which made it sound like probably I have a humongous house, and I don't. But we plan on hopefully extending the back of the house out. You'll hear about it later on if we are blessed to be able to make that happen. Oh my goodness, you guys, I used a whole sheet of alphas up, and I will show you those at the end here, because proud of myself doesn't quite explain how I was feeling. I don't know, I guess I'll just leave that one the way it is for the moment. I don't know. I wonder if I should put this sideways. I find myself, and I don't know, maybe you guys do this too. It would make me feel better if you do. I feel like I gravitate towards word stickers. But, I mean, you can only have so many word stickers on a layout, you know what I mean? I don't know. Oh yeah, I was gonna stamp right in the middle of there. Anyway, we did all of this back in May. On Mother's Day. I got home from church and we didn't have any plans with the family, which is shocking because any holiday that comes around, we normally have something going on, but anyway. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. So do we... And I got so many words going on, that's why I kind of want to keep it... That blue doesn't quite match. Hope these stickers, because these puffy stickers are quite puffy. I'm hoping they're not going to be too bad here. So I think I'll use pink dots and hearts, and maybe yellow too. No, the green and the blue aren't going to match. My sister came down. I had my baby shower last weekend. My sister came down and took me to go get my nails with the gel polish on it, and my toenails. And we had just the best time ever. I wish they lived so much closer to me. But life's got us where we are, so thinking I might add some white Nuvo drops, but I'm not going to do that on camera because that will go awry before I can stop it. So this says highlight unstoppable, focused, and fabulous, but the pink that I used was this, and it's super light, but I used them for my baby shower thank you notes, so it matched perfectly. Alright, so okay, I'll leave that like that, and I will come back and put some white Nuvo drops, maybe black, because I got a lot of black going on. But in the meantime, look at all those fancy alphas. Yes, ma'am. I used up that sheet, and I even used some over here. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this. And these, well, I did a video on that one. But yeah, I'm using up those alphas, so check it out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I guess I'll go ahead and put some Nuvo drops down so you can at least see where I'm putting them, not gold. Oh my goodness. It's almost like waiting for something to go wrong. Sorry if I just hit the camera with my head. And I'll just leave this on my desk for probably a day. Those have enough. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should just put a few of them anyway. And I think I'm going to put white on this one because it's so dark. Alright, that'll be it. I gotta go sit down and chillax. My mama took me out shopping earlier. Well, we met up to go have lunch so I could thank her for my baby shower that she threw me. Alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And you know what? Don't forget to get your crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.